Wow.
The sloths observed here in this video at the Nutritional Diversity and Permaculture Center of Costa Rica are the three-toed sloths. They are classified in the order peresoso because they are related to anteaters, which sport a similar set of specialized claws. Extinct sloth species include many megafaunal ground sloths, which attained the size of elephants, as well as a few species of marine sloths. Extant sloths are medium-sized arboreal, or tree-dwelling, residents of the jungles of Central and South America. Like many other mammals, sloths only have one baby at a time. Baby sloths have a gestation of 5 to 6 months for some type sloths and as much as 11 and a half months for others, such as the Hoffman's two-toed sloth. After they are born, the babies aren't in a hurry to leave their mother. They ride around clinging to the mother's belly for several weeks after birth. Even after they stop dangling from their mother, little sloths stay by their mother's side for up to 4 years. If they are caught by a predator, sloths turn from sluggish to slugger, biting fiercely, hissing, slashing with their claws, and shrieking. Researchers from universities in California, Arizona, and Panama found a broad range of in vitro activities of the fungi against bugs that cause malaria and Chagas disease, as well as against a specific type of human breast cancer cells. The research also provides support for these of the huge numbers of largely unexploited fungal species, all this according to Vice, the HBO series. Conservative estimates suggest that the total number of fungal species in existence exceeds 5 million, yet fewer than 100,000 fungal species have been described, the paper said. The biodiversity found in sloth hair is largely due, the paper notes, to the incredible array of organisms found in biodiverse environments like rainforests. So maybe cutting those down is not such a great idea. A sloth has tiny ears and doesn't hear very well, but it has great eyesight, a good sense of smell, and is sensitive to vibrations. Perhaps my favorite animal found in the rainforest is the sloth. Costa Rica is home to 2 of the 5 species of sloth, the two-toed Chalopus hoffmanni and the three-toed sloth Bradypus variegatus. The sloth is the slowest mammal on Earth. It takes a month for a sloth to move 1 kilometer. Sloths are arboreal. Sloths are arboreal animals, which means they spend most of their lives hanging upside down from tree branches. They eat, sleep, mate, and give birth upside down in the trees. They hold on to tree branches with strong curved claws that are on each of their 4 feet. Sloths are herbivores. They eat leaves, tender young trees, and fruit, but it's hard to find time to eat during the sloth's very busy schedule that includes sleeping about 15 hours each day. The main difference between the two-toed and three-toed sloth, other than the number of toes, is that the three-toed sloth is diurnal and the two-toed sloth is nocturnal, meaning The three-toed is up during the day and the two-toed is up all night. Both of the animals are about 1.5 to 2 feet in length, and both species have a stumpy tail. Everything a sloth does is slow. It chews slowly, blinks its eyes slowly, and definitely moves slowly. Sloths have a low metabolic rate and a low body temperature, 91 degrees as opposed to the 98 degrees of all other mammals on Earth. This allows them to eat very slowly and only need a little bit of food. They don't require much water either. Because they don't expend much energy, it takes nearly a week for a sloth to digest one meal. Sloths are related to anteaters, a group of mammals known as indentites. Anteaters and other indentites don't have teeth. However, sloths have small teeth which they use to chew up their leafy food.
What's up, man? What's up?
At Haley's Fruit Farm, sloths are seen several times a year. At Haley's Fruit Farm, sloths are seen several times a year.
No, I got a good shot.
At Haley's Fruit Farm, sloths are seen several times a year. At Haley's Fruit Farm, sloths are seen several times a year.